Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I have another lock from Zipperhead's pass-along box. If you haven't checked out his channel, I will also link it in the video description. But I hope you have seen my unboxing video where I describe this whole very generous box. Really, thank you very much, Zipperhead. It's a joy to pick through all these locks. And today I try to pick this Brinks. This massive lock. I don't know much about the model. It has 5 pins. Very nice shackle pop. Just listen to that. Clunk. Yeah, ball bearing mechanism, so not shimmable, I guess. Is it key retaining? No. Yeah, let's try to pick it. We'll be using this 1.3 millimeter tensioner, top of the keyway. And yeah, let's start from the front. Try to stay in frame. Nothing. 1, 2 was binding. 3, little click. 4, I don't know. Nothing in the back there. Start from the front. It's 2 okay, yeah. 3, 4. Okay, 5 is binding, I think. But couldn't set it. Let's see what's wrong. 2 wasn't set enough, so nice deep false set now. Let's check 1. Counter rotation on 1. Okay, set this. False set is deeper. Let's continue 3. Oh, picked 3 and we open once again. Nice. Oh, did not come back fully. No problem. Bit strange was that I think I didn't pick 5. Maybe the driver is too short and you can turn while key and driver are in the center. I don't know. I had some troubles setting the second one deep enough. But yeah, nice challenging lock. Security pins for sure. Nice deep false set. Cool lock. Thank you very much for sending this out and very happy to give it a try. So thank you very much and have a nice day everybody and see you in the next video. Bye.